So, a fun way to kill some time while we're all stuck at home would be to do papercraft. All of these different items, in my case since I'm into robots and spaceships and stuff, that's what you're going to mostly see here, are made out of paper. You find the files online and print them out on your printer. In my case I printed them out with a color printer. You cut them out with scissors and then glue all the little seams together and make things. Now if you're not into robots and you like spaceships, there's plenty of spaceships, or if you're not into spaceships and you like buildings, there are lots and lots of papercraft building sites. And even if you're just like into animals and stuff, there's actual papercraft animals. It's different than origami, where you just fold a piece of paper. This one you're actually cutting out individual pieces and putting them together much like you would any model kit. Some of them are very intricate. For example, this little R2-D2, because everything is so domed and so rounded and so detailed, and it starts as a single piece of flat paper, it gets pretty complicated. But some of them are real basic, like the R2 behind it, which is basically some boxy shapes. But you know, it's a little bit of everything between. Some of them are extremely intricate, and some of them are very basic. Here's some drones, Huey, Dewey, and Louie. Got the B9 robot in the back. Smoking robots. These little teeny ones are super basic. A lot of different search terms when you're looking for them. Some of them are mechanical. For example, if you turn the handle on that one, the robot stomps its feet and moves its arms. There are a lot of websites and even online you can buy papercraft things that you actually have to pay for. Almost all of these were free. Only a few of them these were paid for. And here's the Time Machine from the 1960s movie, The Time Machine, and there's a rocket back there, which actually I retrofitted with a electronic smoking mechanism from an e-cigarette. Get down here below, we've got a paper marionette, including the control lines and different things. In fact, they did for the website Alphadrome one year when they were having their bot stock get together. Had these rocking walkers. I did them in metal, but I also did them in papercraft in case someone wanted to build them. And let's see if I can remember. I haven't got him centered because he's up so high I can't really work it very well. But you can make them out of paper as well too. So just a short video. Sometimes they're called papercraft, sometimes they're called cardstock models. Generally, once you find a link that's got a few different sites on it, then you'll find that each one of the sites you go to will have more links for even more sites, and you can keep expanding till you find what you're looking for. I'll include some links down in the description for sites that are free, but normally when I start my search I'll start off by typing free papercraft and then whatever I'm interested in, say free papercraft robots or free papercraft sci-fi. Some of the sites are be called other things. Sometimes they're called cardstock models, and sometimes they're called print and cut and things like that. But everyone of any age can do it, and it doesn't cost you anything if you have a printer at home. There's a little dog which is mechanical. Let's go around this side. And you turn the knob, then the mouth will open and close. I can't get to things too well from here. You'll just have to trust me on that, I guess. You can look at the back side of some of these. Here's one robot in a car, and there's a knob on the front that you turn, and the whole robot in the car rocks back and forth. And this one, the robot, when you turn the crank, stomps his feet up and down. Another one. I realize you're just seeing the back side of these now, but that's okay. It's kind of interesting too. You can see how some are super basic, just boxes basically, but very colorful, and some of them are very intricate. These are based off the CAM robots, the CAM 8 and the CAM 10. They're actual battery robots that you can build, but here you can actually build the papercraft version. And the Lilliput, you can build that and the box. All kinds of them. So, give that some thought. It's something fun to do, and it doesn't cost you anything.